YouTube. I'm coming through real quick to show the results I get from these furniture marker and crayons. So as you see these deep cuts on my kitchen cabinets, I'm going to use the mahogany crayon and the walnut and mahogany markers. And so as you can see, this is after I just used the mahogany crayon to fill in the dents. So whenever there's deep dents, that's when you want to use the crayon. And so this is when I first used the walnut colored marker first, and then I went back over it with the mahogany marker. Was not liking that. Went around it a bit more. That looked horrible as well. So I came back over it with a piece of paper towel and some alcohol, and so removed a lot of that excess stuff, and then I started interchanging the markers and dabbing it with the paper towel with the alcohol on there and got better results. And these were my results. Thanks for watching.